Hi guys, it's time for Inktober. We're going to go to this one, which is Autumn. And that should be fairly straightforward. Let's see. That one, not that one. This one's kind of... That one? Or this one? Or this one? I think that one. Where's my brown pen? This one's brown. Wish I had more of that color interspersed here, but I don't, so that's okay. We'll just put more of these leaves with that one on the top. That was kind of weird, but you know, the leaves in my neighborhood are all funky. And they're mostly not turning. Our leaves don't turn much here. Most of our trees are year-round green. Natively, we have mostly pines, some scrub. This looks more like an oak leaf, which is California native, so that's good. That works for me. I think I'm done. I'll give a little bit of color to that, but I think I'm mostly done. Let's see, what kind of browns do I have? And do I have any water in here? Nope. Let's give me a little bit of water in my cup. Gotta use my water bottle. Squeeze some water into my cup without splashing it everywhere. Okay. that's good. And I'm gonna see what color browns I happen to have here with my Inktense. It's kind of a yellowy brown. Okay, what other browns do I have? I've got this one, which is called Willow. I think I'm going to wet my paper first. Paper really just sucks up the water, doesn't it? And I have this brown. I'm going to go back to that first one I had, this one. Other. So what I did was I took my watercolor pencil. This is just a regular watercolor pencil. I dipped the tip in the water. I want to be a little more precise than with my brush. That one, and I want darker brown. Where's my darker brown? My really dark brown. No, not black. No, this is the darkest one. Okay. Do that. Just playing with my colors. Not doing anything fancy, just playing. And if I don't like the way it looks, well, you know what? It's just a piece of paper. It's no biggie. There we go. That gave it a little something. think I need a little bit of more lighter yellow. That's a little weird. Oh dear. One of my pencils just dropped in my trash can. I will have to remember to retrieve that. Okay, I'm good with those. I maybe should have stopped a little sooner, but you know what? Good enough. Rinse out my brush. I am done. Did I sign it? I didn't sign it, did I? Sign it. Okay. There we go. There's some autumn Inktober to go retrieve my pencil out of the trash. And here we go. You guys have a great day. I will see you tomorrow. Go out and do something nice for someone today, alright? Have a great day. Bye.